Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are cooking these stir-fried beef noodles. I'm using thick noodles today that will make a significant difference from my previous stir-fried noodles. This is a quick and satisfying dish featuring thick chewy noodles stir-fried with vegetables and beef. My family and I love this recipe very much, and now I'm sharing it with you. Okay, let's start cooking now. Let's cut and marinate beef first, as beef will taste better when it is being marinated for a longer time. 200 gram beef tenderloin, cut to thin slices. Marinate beef with 2 teaspoons light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce, 1 teaspoon cooking wine, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon onion powder, 2 teaspoon oil, some white pepper powder, 20 ml water. Mix well all the seasonings with the beef. And then put 1 teaspoon cornstarch. Mix it well with the beef again and give the beef a massage for 1 minute. And then put aside waiting for cooking. 400 gram yellow thick noodles. You should be able to get it from the Chinese grocery shops. Usually there is a layer of oil coated on the noodle. I try to take less oil from the food, so I washed it under the tap water for a few times. You can leave it as it is if you don't mind the oil. Put 2 teaspoons dark soy sauce to the noodles. Mix it well with the noodles and then put aside waiting for cooking. 1 piece choy, cut away the bottom and then cut to about 5 cm long. Wash clean under the tap water. You can also use pork choy or other green vegetables. 4 cloves of garlic, mince it. Half an onion. Slice it and then separate the layers. The final ingredient is a handful of bean sprout. We start cooking now. Heat up the pan and then put 1 tablespoon oil in. Pan fry or sauté the beef until both sides slightly cooked. Transfer the beef to a plate when it is done. Put the pan back to the stove, and it is not necessary to wash the pan. Put the garlic mince in, give it a few stirs, put the onion in, few more stirs, and then put the bean sprout and the choy in. Put about 20 ml water to the pan so it will make the toasting easier. Give everything a few good toasts and then remove them to another plate. Put the pan back to the stove, and it is not necessary to wash the pan too. Put the noodle in and put about 30 ml water to the noodle. Gently toast the noodles until all the water evaporated. When the water is all evaporated, put the beef and the vegetables in. Mix the vegetables and beef well with the noodles and give everything a few good toasts. You can also add a little bit water in to make the toasting easier. Now it is almost done. Do a final tasting. Adjust the savory level to your preference by adding more salt. Mix the salt well with the noodles. And finally, put 1 teaspoon sesame oil to the noodles. Give everything a final few toasting. This noodle stir fry is done. This noodle stir fry is so flavorful and delicious. The noodle is chewy and bouncy, and every strand is coated with garlicky and umami sauce. Beef is tender and juicy, and the vegetables are refreshing and crisp. I hope you will give this recipe a try, and if you like it, please share it out. Okay, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!